Are your pigs eating a lot but not growing fast? Are you spending money on feed and still not seeing the results you want? What if I told you there's a feed formula that could double your pig's weight in less time and it's not expensive? Today I'm sharing the best feed formula for fast pig growth that will save you time and money. This is the same method used by successful farmers and commercial piggeries. Whether you're raising 5 pigs or 500, this video will show you the right ingredients, exact measurements, when to feed, and how to mix your feed for maximum results. So stay tuned to the end. You'll get a free feeding chart and bonus tips to boost growth even more. Why feed matters? Let's face it. Feed is the biggest cost in pig farming. In fact, it takes up to 70% of your total expenses. And guess what? If you're not feeding your pigs the right formula, they'll grow slowly, use more feed for less weight gain, and take longer to reach market size. That means you'll spend more and earn less. So the goal is simple: grow pigs faster with less feed. To do that, you need a balanced, energy-rich, protein-packed diet that builds muscle and boosts immunity, not just fills the belly. Understanding pig nutrition. To mix a powerful pig feed formula, we need to understand 3 key things your pigs must have. 1. Energy. It gives pigs the strength to eat, move, and grow. Comes from maize, cassava, sweet potatoes, rice bran. 2. Protein. It builds muscle and body weight. Comes from soybean meal, fish meal, groundnut cake, blood meal. 3. Vitamins and minerals. It helps with bone development, fertility, and disease resistance. Comes from bone meal, salt, premix, limestone. If one of these is missing, your pigs won't grow well no matter how much you feed. The best feed formula for fast growth. Now, let's break down the exact feed formula you can use to grow your pigs faster. This is for grower and finisher pigs, pigs from 8 weeks to market weight. Feed formula, 100 kilograms total. Ingredient quantity, kilogram. Maize, or cassava, 40 kilograms. Wheat bran, rice bran, 30 kilograms. Groundnut cake, 10 kilograms. Soybean meal, 10 kilograms. Fish meal, blood meal, 5 kilograms. Bone meal, 2 kilograms. Salt, 0.5 kilograms. Pig premix, vitamins and minerals, 2.5 kilograms. Mixing instructions. 1. Dry all ingredients properly, no moisture. 2. Grind large items like maize and soy. 3. Mix dry ingredients thoroughly in a large container. 4. Store in cool, dry place, airtight if possible. If you want better results, add molasses or palm oil to improve taste and energy content.
Want to make your business blow up like boom? Want thousands to see what you sell? Don't just sit there. Do something crazy. Hit me up now on WhatsApp plus 233-542-161-990 or drop an email. Let's put your brand in the spotlight where it belongs. Be unforgettable.
Feeding plan by stage. Feeding is not one size fits all. Here's how much to feed based on pig size. Weaners, 2 to 3 months. 0.5 to 1 kilogram per pig daily. 3 to 4 times per day. Growers, 3 to 5 months. 1.5 to 2.5 kilograms per pig daily. 2 to 3 times per day. Finishers, 5-6 plus months. 2.5 to 3.5 kilograms per pig daily. 2 times per day. Breeding sows and boars. 2 to 3 kilograms daily. Add extra protein during pregnancy and lactation. Always give clean water with feed, or digestion will slow down. Common feeding mistakes to avoid. Even with the best formula, you can still fail if you make these mistakes. 1. Feeding stale or moldy feed causes sickness. 2. Overfeeding or underfeeding leads to fat pigs or slow growth. 3. No water with feed affects digestion. 4. Changing feed too quickly shocks the pig's gut. 5. Not adjusting feed by weight, waste of money. Feeding pigs is both a science and an art. You must balance quality, quantity, and consistency. Extra growth boosters. Want to give your pigs a little push? Here are a few natural boosters. 1. Molasses or palm oil. Adds energy, improves feed taste. Add 1 to 2 liters per 100 kilograms of feed. 2. Garlic and ginger paste. Boosts immunity, fights internal worms. Add small spoon to drinking water weekly. 3. Eggshell powder or crushed snails. Natural source of calcium for bone strength. 4. Banana peels plus cassava peels, boiled. Cheap energy source, must be cooked. Don't overuse chemicals or growth hormones. Natural feeding gives you healthy pigs and clean meat. Results to expect. If you follow this formula and feeding plan, pigs can grow from 20 kilograms to 100 kilograms in just 3 to 4 months. They'll be ready for market sooner. You'll spend less feed per kilogram of weight gain. Tip: track your pigs weekly using a tape measure and weight chart. Free feeding chart plus recap. Here's your free pig feeding chart that shows how much to feed by age and weight. Download PDF in the pinned comment. Recap: best feed formula equals balanced energy plus protein plus minerals. Feed right by age and size. Avoid common mistakes. Use natural boosters wisely. Feeding smart is the secret to pig farming success. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more pig farming tips that work in real life. Drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every farmer. And remember, healthy pigs grow fast. Fast-growing pigs mean faster profit. See you in the next video.